Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got the Karmann Ghia back in. Last time we had it in, we had a few problems. If you've not seen that video, go take a look and let's carry on. Whilst we're running the car up, the accelerator cable snapped, and luckily we had a old VW van accelerator cable in, which was obviously slightly too long. I just had to adapt the pedal end, but we're all good and we're all back working. A few of the problems we had last time was a lot of simple stuff really. We had quite a few air leaks, as you'll have seen in the video. The diverter valve that's in there, I don't think you can quite see it, but just about. That was leaking, so we've put one on for now that doesn't leak, so that's that good. We had a water leak from the outlet on the side or the back of the head in the case in this engine, which is, well, it's pretty normal for a 1.8T. The other main problem we had was had no lambda input on the at the ECU, so we tested all this. We've pinned it out. We've got all the feeds, and the signal wire was correct. We had a signal to this plug, so then obviously I checked it at the ECU end, directly back probing the ECU plug, so right at the pin, and I had a voltage. But no lambda input on the ECU. So what I did, I got a spare ECU and deimmobilized it. Got that plugged in, and now we've got a lambda input, so we can crack on. Well, that's that done. We are at just over 280 horsepower and 300 foot-pound of torque. Tuning's all done. So now What have we got to do now? Oh, just a load of fault deletes for stuff it hasn't got, and that's about it, and we'll call it a day. Now we've got to get out. Ugh. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please click that like icon and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below.